सो फ्रेंड्स, आप देख पा रहे हैं हमारे स्कूल में मतलब कलर की पुताई हो रही है क्योंकि कल 15 अगस्त है। तो लगभग काम तो ख़त्म हो चुका है और यहाँ पे हम फ्लैग होस्ट करने वाले हैं, कल होने वाला है। तो यहाँ पे पूरा क्लीनिंग कर दिया गया है साफ़। और कल सुबह मैं जाऊँगा बड़ा स्कूल यहीं पे आऊँगा, फिर मैं छोटा स्कूल कल जाऊँगा। मैं देखते हैं कल क्या होता है, क्योंकि कल प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है मेन तो, क्योंकि वो देना है, नहीं तो हमारा काम नहीं हो पाएगा। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग आप सबको मेरे ब्लॉग में और एक बार स्वागत है। दोस्तों, एक्चुअली आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे है और हम लोग स्कूल जाने वाले हैं। देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या हाल चाल है, क्योंकि कल पूरा अच्छे से मतलब प्रिपरेशन हो चुका है पूरे स्कूल में। और मैंने प्राइजेस के लिए जो सेटिंग किया था वो सब पूरे अच्छे से मतलब तैयार हो चुके हैं। बस वहाँ जाना है, सब सेटिंग करना है, बच्चों को दिलवाना है। बस मेरा काम है बस फोटो खींचना। ओके गाइस, मैं आप लोगों से बाद में मिलता हूँ। ओके, बी कंटिन्यू।
I, on behalf of the management of the Adiji Trust, congratulate you all on this auspicious occasion of 75th Independence Day. Friends, we always assemble here, every year, to commemorate that great festival. And we know on this day we got independence from British rule. You are all students of history, so I did not elaborate you how our martyrs, they sacrificed their life to get this independence. We generally observe the festivals to joy as it is to maintain merrymaking. When Rama killed Ravana, will Lanka, he won Lanka, he came. Then also a festival was Diwali was celebrated all over India, and all those festivals are regional. Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Dasara, some people observe, some race, some religions, they don't observe some. But this is our national festival. We all, across caste, caste and race, religion, we all more than 130 crores of people, we observe this. There are two reasons. Another reason is that we must follow the idealistic of our martyrs, those who sacrificed their life for this independence. to get independence from British rule. Lal, Bal, Pal, Subhashji, Chandrasekhar Azad, Shivaji, Jhansi ki Rani, so many martyrs. I don't want to, Gandhiji, Nehruji, all these people, and we must read their life history, their sacrifice. Nowadays, today I don't want to make a long speech, but I want to say, we must think what we can do for the nation, not that what the nation has done for us. We must have not only political but social and financial independence also. So it is our duty to serve the nation. We cannot give that great sacrifice of life like Khudiram Bose, but we can do something for the nation. Do we ever for a moment think what we should do for the nation? We always want that the government should give us health, education, everything government should do, but we should not do anything. And the same thing applies to our family, our parents. We should not think what our parents, our family has done for us, what we can do for them. And lastly, what I meant to point out is that we must also think about this institution, this school. We always should not think that what the school has done for us, what the school can give, what the management give. We must also think for a moment what we can do for this school. What should be our sacrifice contribution, where our student, our child, his life is made, his life is molded. Today, tomorrow he will be engineer, a doctor, a citizen of India, a good citizen of India. He will be educated from this school. And we are all stakeholders. Our parents, our teachers, our students, the management. Together we can grow. So if in this pandemic time, when the 90%, 95%, and you don't take the care of the student in your house, in your home, everything is burdened on the teacher and without any expenditure. That is not good. With folded hands, I beg excuse if I have exceeded my limits, and
honestly, we are feeling elated from within. Without them, the school has no meaning. And from the core of my heart, on behalf of this LGMP PPS family, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the parents who had took all the effort for the kids during this pandemic to provide all possible education. Dear parents, it was not possible without you people. We, the school, started doing the activities, but without you, it was not possible. So now you are not only parent, you are teacher as well. Because whatever you did reflected in our children. And together we can achieve anything in this world. You can see the difference when your involvement is there. Definitely our kids can touch the sky and they will. Thank you so much. Again, a happy Independence Day to all of us. Thank you so much.